How to add Yellow Basket on TikTok Shop. Let's get started. Make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok app. Now launch it. You will be directed to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different option. Click on this plus option given at the bottom middle. With that, your camera will open up. Now I can go ahead and select the picture. Click the picture, shoot the video or select the video from your gallery. Once you have selected the pictures or the video, from here you can make changes and then click on next. Once you're in this page, over here you'll find the option of add link. Click on that. With that you're gonna find the list of the products that you can add to your TikTok video. Go ahead and select the one. Once you have selected any of the product to add as a link in your TikTok video, Yellow Basket will be added to your video. So this way you can easily add Yellow Basket on TikTok Shop. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.